to my printing area, whatever. And if you know me, I've gone through so many different wallets. I like the two-fold ones. I've tried those, trying to get the thinnest wallet possible. And then I moved over to this one here, which is pretty thin, and it has the AirPod place in it, and I really like that. So in my process of trying these out too, I figured, okay, let's see if we can get even thinner than this. And so I found this one here. So this one here is it's an NPET card case, it says, and NPET Men's Slim Wallet. So we're gonna give this thing a try. See, this is how it comes in the paper. Looks pretty nice, nicely wrapped. Tissue paper, and this is what it looks like. So this one here will hold my AirPod as well, so I can stick one of those in there. And it's got a place for a couple of cards there, and a couple of cards on this side. And it's crinkling because it's the first time opening it. And then it's like a magnetic money holder. So let's give this thing a try and see how it works. So I have one of these here. So usually in these cases, it needs to go backwards. I don't know if it needs to go back. Flipped right through. So let's see if we can put this in here. So there, if it goes in that way, and then it snaps on, that'll keep it on there, so that's good. I'll put my cards in here. This is just an insurance card. It seems to fit in there good. It doesn't go all the way through. Put my Tesla card on the other side. That fits good. Now let's see how many monies we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 bills. So we're gonna see if 5 bills will fit in this magnetic holder without, it does, it magnetizes it on. It stays on there. Even with 5 bills, I don't know if they get more than that, but I've gotten even thinner now. So now I've gotten even thinner than my previous one. So we're gonna keep going and seeing if we can get thinner and thinner. And this is nice because it has the AirTag thingy in it too. Hopefully the AirTag will stay in there nice and smooth. It seems like it fits in there pretty good. Wonder if I can put it the other way and have my NDR facing out. Because this one here I had customized. Yeah, it fit. So I could have it like that with my NDR 12. This is my 12th one. That's how many of these things I've gone through. So seems pretty cool to me. Seems like a pretty soft leather. And I don't know, maybe this way looks better. I don't know. But seems good to me. I like it. Thumbs up. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon. I'll update you in a couple of months and we'll see how this is holding up. Okay, thanks, bye.